The 2008 XLR. The Cadillac XLR Roadster combines power and performance in a luxury vehicle. It has a sharp-looking exterior design, comfortable ride quality. Nearly every luxury feature you can ask for is standard. This Roadster simply has it all and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, OnStar, navigation system, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, anti-theft security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.